going to learn about what is Google Antigravity, how it does work, then how we are going to install this Google Antigravity, then what and all the features are available in the Google Antigravity, then what and all the different modes are available in this Google Antigravity. So firstly, as you know that like Google has launched their first coding AI tool, AI platform where we can where we can develop an applications, or we can do an automation testing, we can do a front end, back end, whatever it is. Like we can by using this application we can do anything. So let me start from this, uh, let's see like how we are going to install the Google Anti-Gravity. So once you launch the browser, you just need to type Google Anti-Gravity. Once you just click on enter, whatever the firstly whichever it is available, just click on to that. Once you click to that, it will open like this page. This is a UI page of this Google Anti-Gravity. And if your system is Mac system, you can download for that. If your system is Windows system, you can download that. So currently the one which we are using, that is a window platform. So now since I have already downloaded this, let's not waste the time in this. So once you download that one exe anti-gravity exe file will be downloaded under the download folder. So I just move this exe file to some another directory. So let me launch this exe to do an installation process. So just accept, click on accept the agreement, then click on next. Again it's asking for the local path, where you wanted to install. Then click on next, choose as default where whatever you want, I mean in which directly you want to keep. Then it's asking setup will create the program shortcut, in which location you want to continue. Click next. If you would like to select a different folder, we can also select a different folder instead of this. Okay, and then click on next. Now add open, create a desktop icon. Then you are having one more checkbox, add open with anti-gravity action to Windows Explorer, not needed. If you want, you can go with that. Now again click on install button. So until unless since it's installing, let's know what is the agentic AI. So agentic AI that can do things on its own to reach a goal which you gave it. So here it does not just response, it figures out steps and takes the action by itself. So we can say that we cannot say that the Google anti-gravity is a killer of cursor. Like as you know that previously we are having the cursor where we can do a editing, or with that also we can able to build a application without any coding language. So here in the Google anti-gravity, they have done a lot of changes, like the accuracy, I mean the method, fast working method. And they have done a lot of changes over here. So we'll learn about that, what and all changes they have done. So in the upcoming videos, or in the upcoming lecture. So once it get installed, we'll just wait until it get installed. So it got installed successfully. So let's launch the tool. Click on finish button. So the Google Gravity shortcut icon is also got generated on the desktop screen. Now let's wait until it get launched. Yeah, so once it got installed successfully, we just click to the finish button. So now the Google Anti-Gravity page got opened here. So you can see we are having, we are having the open agent manager. Then we are having one Chrome browser icon over here. Then settings icon we are having. Then apart from that, we are having a different like the toggle primary sidebar, then toggle panel we are having. And if you see here, we are having the open folder and open agent manager. Then we are having the option as clone repository. Okay, so here if you notice here, this is an agent where we are having a two things. One is a planning and another one is a Gemini 3 Pro, which it got like recently it got which it got recently launched. Now in this anti-gravity, we are having two types, which is like we are having two modes. It's not a types, like it's a modes. One is for planning and one is a fast. Usually I prefer that using planning will get everything. Like it takes some time, but it will, at least it will give a good output. If you are going with the fast accuracy, if you are going with the fast, then the accuracy will be the very less. So I always prefer it for the planning instead of going to fast. Okay, then apart from that, so we are having an open folder over here. Now let's if you are having the existing folder, you can just go and open the folder. If you don't have any of the folder, let's make one new folder. Let's create one new folder. Hmm, let's make it as anti-gravity. Okay, now let's open a folder which is created on the desktop, that is anti-gravity. Select a folder. Once you select the folder, we are under the folder. Okay, so once we select the folder, it's visible over here that we have selected the folder. So whatever files we are going to generate here, it will just generate under this folder. Okay, now let's click to the browser. So once you click to the browser, it will launch and it will ask for you the credentials. Yeah, here one thing I just wanted to let you know that, like, since I have already installed in my set, before installing in front of you, I was using this anti-gravity, so it was not asking for me the initial steps. Okay, so I just wanted to know, like, if you are a fresh user and you are going to install an Google anti-gravity, so the first step will be like, once you launch the Google anti-gravity, right? So it will the pop-up will be like this: choose a setup flow. And it will display like this page. It then you just need to click on next, and here you can see the snippet, the second snippet, which you are going to get if you are a fresh user or fresh going to install on your set. Okay, so here you are having the four modes. The mode says that firstly agent driven development, which says that it never asks for the reviews. Okay, so the second option which it is displaying as agent assistant development, so it's a like it's a recommended. Okay, so here in this second option, agent occasionally reviews the request. Okay, it means that agent occasionally reviews the request. The thirdly, like review driven development we are having here, agent will repeatedly ask to review. So manually it will like it will travel each and every time to review the options and all. It will ask for the options. And the lastly, it has mentioned as a custom configuration. So custom configuration is like that. You can see the options over here, right? Like the terminal execution policy and all. So in this option we are going to select a manually. So what kind of execution policy you needed, either it's a auto or some other options you need. It's all it will be present under the drop down. Okay, since I'm showing you a overview of the installation, I'm just going to through these options and what this option does, what this mode refers to. Okay, now we'll go with the default one. Will once we click to the recommend one, we'll just click to the next. Once you open the once you click to the next, then it will come to this sign in page. It looks like this page, and you'll get one sign in option over here. Then you just need to sign in using your email id. Okay, so as you mentioned, right, Google account, then just select the Gemini 3 Pro, which is already present over here. This is called an agent manager, where we can send our prompts to the agent to develop a web application or to develop an code for front end developer or back end code, or if we can do a automation testing for any of the web application. So we can do a lot of things over here. So let's go one by one. This is all about the Google agent, how it works, what and all the feature are available. So in next video, let's start creating one own project, like as a web application or some web application, or we can just try to automate those web application. Something related to that will just uh, uh, start the Google anti-gravity in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.